Those dinky Home Depot pressure washers? Yeah, they're cute. But when you've got actual work to do, you need an 8 gallons per minute beast that doesn't quit halfway through the job. At Universal Trailer and American Waterworks, we're all about matching you with commercial-grade 8 gallons per minute pressure washers that absolutely crush it. These machines demolish grime in parking lots and blast through years of buildup on warehouse floors. If it's big and dirty, an 8 gallons per minute unit gets it done fast. The difference is flow rate. More gallons per minute means you're covering massive surface areas in a fraction of the time, which means you're making money instead of wasting hours with underpowered equipment. Our pressure washers are built to run all day, every day, without breaking down when you need them most. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Visit Universal Trailer and American Waterworks and get the 8 gallons per minute pressure washer your business deserves.